And my father always loved music, and he started to write lyrics. Actually, he was not the only one. I've written about this. He was not the only one to start to write songs, not the music, but lyrics. There was a growth of creativity. You know, when the body is imprisoned, the soul searches for freedom, and it finds it in creativity. So people began to write, but not long stories, because if a German caught you writing something, everything, the Straf, the punishment was always death. So, but people, they wrote in their own minds, or on little pieces of paper, songs, short forms. So my father wrote lots of songs, and they were published after the war. One of them was almost a letter to the world. A letter to the world. I want to tell you, my friends, what's happening here. I'm translating it. I'm singing in my head. The slavery that people are going through, the heartache that people are going through. Soft hands are, like under Pharaoh, are making this brick. It's beautiful. It's beautiful music. I have recorded it for the Holocaust Museum in Washington, D.C. When they did an exhibition on the Kovno Ghetto, they asked me to come down to sing my father's songs. People who were in Kovno, survivors, it's true, when the Russians came, there were only 30 left, but there are survivors from the Kovno Ghetto who were sent to Dachau, weren't liberated by the Russians. My father put his songs, his lyrics, to Russian melodies. Sinya Platochik, the Blue Kerchief, is one of his most famous, and to other Russian melodies, to Yiddish melodies, but popular melodies. My father always liked a good melody.